Until now, it was just in a magical world where we had superpowers to control everything without touching it. Imagine touching nothing, yet having it to work your way, letting go of fears. Introducing India's first touchless doorbell and exit button to protect you. Now you wouldn't need to touch a bell or a button, making life touch-free and virus-free. Today it has become a reality and the need of the hour during the pandemic. The time has come where technology will protect us. Installing it is as simple as replacing it. One less thing to worry about.